Welcome back to TNT Homesteading. After a long couple of days, I wanted to show you what we got done. Here's just sort of a walkthrough. Again, old storage building, what used to be an outhouse. We got so much trash picked up. It was amazing. 2 trips to the dump is what it took to get things cleaned up, plus some work we did around here. The fire pit is now just a fire pit. The cleaning station looks much better. Some trash is taken care of. And tons of buckets. We found so many buckets underneath the porch. Let's see, I want to go this way first. We took out the shelving that was in the cabin. At this very second, we're considering making an outdoor kitchen underneath this carport. There was a stove and a counter space to be able to do some stuff with, so it's something to think about. So we haven't taken it to the dump yet. We want to think about it. We don't want to rush and get rid of stuff that we decide we really want. Over here, a lot of the trash was picked up. Most of this stuff that's right here now is just partially decayed wood and some bricks that we'll clean up later. And again, this looks so much better. It's starting to really feel like home. And, well, at least home away from home. There's several more things we still want to do outside, but some of the outside stuff's going to have to wait until it's no longer 95 plus degrees outside, because even just sitting here loading up the truck, I'm a big hot sweaty mess. But our porch is nice and sittable. And we just love listening out here. We love this. Let me show you what it looks like inside. All right. So we're all done in here for this trip. We could see some daylight between these cracks on this flooring. There's nothing underneath it. And the plan will be to paint the floor for the time being anyway. And so we've put down some caulking to at least seal the cracks. We got our whitewash done, the ceiling done. We still have to put some sort of something on the top. We don't know what we're going to do there yet. And we've got some more stuff done. We're quite happy with the amount of work we got done this trip. I wish I had a wide angle lens, so sorry about that. But there we go. All right, that's inside. So we're about to call it a day, head home. My wife has jobs this week, and I probably have chores around the house and get ready for my new job that starts next week. In the meantime, though, we've got the place looking pretty good. And I'm so looking forward to using that big fire pit. Really looking forward to it. Anyway, until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye.